Hey man, come chat to me. We're in the house tonight, without a doubt, as Berta's Children Foundation. See? And I'm standing next to Mr. Fresh himself. And he's the founder of the foundation. My brother, what's up?
Yeah man, everything is great, you know. Thanks for coming out tonight, giving us the support and give us the strength, you know. Give thanks.
A real man, a real man. Tell us some more about the foundation, man. How it all begins and the whole thing.
You see me?
Yeah man, alright man.
Yeah man, everything great man. You know, so it really started with me and my brother just have a simple idea.
Yeah.
And we just put the idea out on the table and we family them come about. Yeah. And then this is what it manifests in, you know. The foundation really is to support kids where really want to go to school in Jamaica but can't find a book, can't find a pencil, can't find computer and certain necessities. But that is really where we try to do it in the local community in Jamaica. You know, and the people in New York City here is trying to help us to bring that to the forefront. So we give thanks a lot.
I love that. And how long now since the foundation is going on?
So this is the second year of the foundation. You know, in the first year we kind of fund everything. We're artists in it, so we fund everything, and this is the second year, so we want to make it stronger. So we're trying to bring the community on board and try to get everyone involved. But this is the second year.
Our team shares a mutual passion. It is our mission to help children in need so that they can strive to become high achievers and remain in school. Our philosophy is we believe that education can move a child beyond the stigma of poverty and give the child the tools to reach his or her true potential. Therefore, we strive to continue assisting the children of the future. The children are the living messages we send to a time we will not see. Therefore, it is imperative that we send the best message we can in the future. Tonight we will dine and celebrate Berta's Children's Foundation.
This year, what is the aim? Really, you know what I mean, for this year and beyond?
Well, this year our goal is to kind of take one child from high school straight through college, because a lot of times in Jamaica the kids, they graduate, they get their subjects and they kind of get stuck. They can't afford to go to university. So our goal is, you know, it starts with us, one child. If you could do one, and we don't ask anything of that child other than when you are in the position, you do the same thing in return.
I'm standing next to the man himself, Chino, in the house tonight. You there, my brother, walk on.
Yes, I give thanks. You don't know, we're for there, a Berta thing, and you know what I mean, it's for a great cause, so we're for there. Especially in our field, in reggae and dancehall music, a lot of negative highlights, and you know what I mean, people not really highlighting the positive initiatives. So when you have an initiative like this now, we definitely have to be a part of it, and you know what I mean, endorse it as much as we can.
The ultimate aim of this foundation is to go Jamaica and the world.
Yeah,
we are targeting Jamaica at first, you know. Sure. Instead of targeting St. Mary, we want to target all the different parishes, make sure kids have access to just basic necessities that some of us over here in America take for granted sometimes and think it's something simple like just basic computer. Just logging onto a computer, learning how to use a computer, having access to computer information technology. That's our aim, you know, and we start with Jamaica at first, and then we know over time it's gonna go probably Caribbean wide.
Yeah, come chat with me.